Hello friends, so once again welcome back to my channel Infinity. So guys, today I'm going to tell you about custom ROMs and what a custom ROM is and how does it works and which custom ROM is best for your device. So ROMs are generally operating system that is pre-installed on your device. So ROM are of two type like stock and custom. So stock ROMs are generally developed by the companies which you are using phone of and is pre-installed on your device, like Xiaomi phones have MIUI pre-installed on their device, and Samsung has one UI. Like this, different types of companies has their own UI, but generally their source code is same, because Android is developed by Google, and then the source code is generally taken by these companies and then developed or modified accordingly. So the source code is generally taken by other developers also, and they unofficially developed ROM for devices, and those ROMs are generally known as custom ROM. So how a custom ROM is different from stock ROM? It's like stock ROM is generally heavier than custom ROMs, and stock ROM targets generally large, or you can say huge amount of customers. Like a company wants to satisfy each and every customer. Like if you are a gamer, you will get the same ROM on your device, and if you are a normal user, then also there is a same ROM on your device. So they are just generally modified so that each one of you can use that. But in custom ROMs you can find specific ROMs which are generally designed for performance or gamers, so that you can take maximum output from your device. So stock ROMs are generally, you can say that, limited in many ways. Like the clock speed in stock ROMs are generally locked by the manufacturers, and then you cannot just take the maximum output from your device. But in custom ROMs you can customize it highly and take full output, performance output from your device if you are using a custom ROM. So custom ROMs are generally lighter in comparison of size, you can say that, because custom ROMs generally take less space in RAM and ROM as compared to stock, uh, because stock ROMs are generally running many services in background. Like they are collecting different types of data from your device, and there are many other services. You can just open your develop option in settings and check in running services there, and you will find there that there are many services running in your background, and you are not using them generally, but they are running. So this generally takes your battery and performance, battery and CPU usage also, and because of which your phone generally feels slow. But in custom ROMs there are very less services running in background, and you can just stop many of them, because custom ROM you have full control of your device, and in stock, whereas it's limited, because you cannot tweak CPU or other things according to your needs. But in custom ROMs you can just root them. Custom ROM is generally very easy to root, and stock ones are a little bit harder than them. But in custom ROM you can just root it easily, and after that you can take maximum output from your device. And custom ROMs are generally based for techie guys, and it's like you can uh, customize it highly. You can customize each and everything in custom ROMs. Different custom ROMs are for different things, like pixel experience or pixel plus UI targets UI and its customization, etc., live wallpapers, and in lineage or evolution it's performance centric, and for it's generally for gamers. So custom ROMs are generally for gamers, you can say that, or if you want your device on latest Android, then also custom ROMs are always there, because in stock ROM you know that there are only 1 to 2 Android updates. Generally in budget phone there is no Android update, but when you are using custom ROM there are many Android updates. If you are having a phone which generally if you are having Snapdragon processor in your phone, so you will find many ROMs for your device, because Snapdragon publicly shares its source code, and then developers can modify ROMs on that, etc, etc. And so if you want to use latest Android and you are having an old phone with the old Android version, so there also custom ROMs can take place on your device, because custom ROMs are generally based on latest Android versions, and they are just fast from the stock ones, so you can just use them and use as a daily driver. Also the best custom ROM for your device, you can uh, search on XDA forums of your device and check their reviews for each of the ROMs, and also you can perform a test by which you can prove that which custom ROM is giving you better performance. You can just install various custom ROMs on your device, and after that you have to check their running services in develop option, because CPU is not much tweaked, so there is only one factor which is affecting performance, that is RAM usage. So to check RAM usage, there is a very easy method. By this method you can check RAM usage of your stock also, and custom ROM also. So you just have to visit running services in your developer option, and there it will show you each and every single MB of your RAM which is used by different ROMs, and by that you can conclude that which ROM is taking the least RAM space. You can use it as a daily driver and switch to that one.